This generator has a maximum output of 4000 W with a 7 liters fuel tank and 0.45 liter oil capacity. This generator must not be used indoors or in enclosed or semi-enclosed spaces such as garages. This generator is intended for outdoor use only in well-ventilated areas. This unit is equipped with an efficient fuel control system and a recoil starter for stable fuel supply and quick starting. The integrated fuel valve features 3 positions: stop, run, and start for precise fuel flow control and operation mode selection. The recoil starter is engineered for smooth and reliable engine ignition. The panel includes an Econ SW economy switch, a 3-in-1 indicator light, an LCD display, a DC circuit protector, USB ports, a DC receptacle, AC receptacles, and a ground terminal. Remove the screws and open the right side panel. Remove the dipstick for oil filling. Add engine oil slowly. Avoid overfilling. Fill to the thread level of the oil port. Do not exceed the upper limit. Reinstall and tighten the dipstick securely. Reinstall and secure the side cover. Open the fuel tank cap. Add gasoline slowly to avoid spillage. After refueling, tighten the fuel cap securely. Turn the fuel cap vent knob from off to on. Turn the fuel valve to the start position. Pull the recoil starter to start the engine. After starting, switch from start to run. Press the Econ SW button to enable economy mode. Turn the fuel valve from run to stop.